Congratulations to the Bangalore's Toastmasters Club, District 92. Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix. I want to give you a quick shout out and remind you that that is an amazing accomplishment. And I know new members come and go, everyone has their time at Toastmasters, but I want to remind the leaders that what you do, the effort you put in, the emails that you get, and I know it's a volunteer project for you, but I want to say thank you, because what you do as leaders in your club touches people way beyond just speaking. Toastmaster to Toastmaster, thank you for being a part. Congratulations on this huge accomplishment and happy anniversary. Stage time, stage time, stage time. Well done.
Check out StagetimeUniversity.com, where good presenters become unforgettable.